Warplanes have attacked targets in suburbs north of the Syrian city of Homs.
Allahu Akbar.
Military jets dropped bombs on the rebel-held towns of Talbiseh and Rastan outside the city on October the 25th. A correspondent for RFERL's Radio Fardar captured video of the attacks, which showed several buildings being hit. At least 4 explosions could be heard, and plumes of smoke were sent into the air. It was unclear whether the warplanes were Russian or Syrian, and there were no immediate reports of casualties. Syrian government forces hold the centre of Homs, but a large pocket of territory north of the city is controlled by groups opposed to the regime of President Bashar al-Assad.